So what's the deal, Alexa?
We are in a very small town that starts with kill and I don't remember the rest of it. We had 2 near meltdowns, but we have survived. We had a almost broken camera, but we survived that too, and we have olive oil all over the car. So, it's a success of a day.
So would you admit we're lost?
No. Fucking complete. We're killing it right now.
Do you know where we are?
Roughly.
Do you know where we are?
Scotland. What else do you want to know?
Okay. Thoughts, Angus?
Not much faith.
Sassen, waar mi rea mesken en sjaats kloik en ader na karsten Maligaan, de vajochgaan, de Maligaan, tjinjag I grote kaken volbeen, ik wien tjinjag in Maligaan, de vajochgaan. Hij zingt je begel door liedje, crazy.
It's gonna be fine.
Have you put the
So I'm quite happy not to be a chef.
I did.
Die staan er tjieren liedjes, slik je grieën aan een glas goed Maligaan, de vajochgaan, de Maligaan, tjinjag I grote kaken volbeen, ik wien tjinjag in Maligaan.
But you said so confidently you were going for a swim.
Yeah, no, I didn't know what I was talking about.
But you said you were going swimming.
Eyebrows.
Huh?
Yeah, we get to change your eyebrows. Angus, but you also said you'd go swimming.
Shave off my eyebrow then, I'm not doing close then, so yeah.
Nu de hitch begonnen veel shit of rich ik rachi tot ze lurgen jene vlug get haske kronen twak van Maligaan de vajochgaan de Maligaan chini rachi grote kaken volbeen ik wien chini dat in Maligaan